It's time to jam, baby. I decided to participate in the Code for a Cause game jam. Why? Because it's fun, we learn, and we code for a cause. Win, win, win. First, I needed a team. The trust I have in my own capacities are so low that I would rather be helped by a team. Yeah, I should trust myself, but oh well. Let's meet the team. First we got Zero Macabre and myself as the game designers. Then on the art side we got Eva and Liam. And as for the programming, I shall bear the burden of coding the game. Just kidding, I actually enjoy working with numbers and words. Now more about the game jam. Code for a Cause is a 1-week game jam where the winners actually support a charity. Half of the winners' prize money goes to a charity of its choice. Now our goal is not to win, but to actually finish a game. Well, you know, winning is good as well, but that's for later. Oh, and by the way, because it's not fun otherwise, we actually have classes at the same time, so we'll have half the time to work on this game. But it's okay. I believe we can finish this game. I hope. So, the team is keep moving forward. After we came back from school, we started brainstorming. Some ideas started to pop out. They were bad or mid at best. Like a god that tries to destroy the humans but ends up killing the whole earth. Yeah, I told you. It was like mid at best. Hey, it's me, I'm the dude editing this video. I was thinking about the concept of the god killing the planet, whatever. And I actually think it has potential, so I'm gonna store it somewhere. Wait, oh shit. No. Sorry about that. So, where was I? Oh, yeah, we finally settled on the idea. You play as a cyborg in a world controlled by robots. You are the last line of defense, and you are gonna die. Parkour your way around the buildings and blast every last robot you see until you die! Yeah. Epic pitch, I know. Now let's talk about the game itself and the mechanics. So it's obviously a parkour first-person shooter game. You have a health bar and when it hits 0, you lose your weapon and use a worst one. And that's until you lose everything except for your head and you roll around until you auto-destruct and kill every last robot. Keep moving forward. And after we got the main concept, it was already quite late, so we called it a day. Luckily today is a Saturday, so I am free to work the whole day on the game. I started with basic FPS movement, you can walk, jump and look around. Now for the tricky part, because I never worked on a parkour game before, so after a lot of research, I was finally able to add a nice slide and an okay at best wall run mechanic. Yo, wall run, then slide. And I tried to make a better wall run system, but I failed miserably. And I did not have time to rework that, so I just moved on. And then I added my first weapon, an AR. So today I got the basic movement and some shooting, so I stopped here and went to bed. So that day I was a bit lost. Was it lack of motivation? Was it stress? I don't know. But I was not efficient at all. But luckily, Zero sent me a 2D layout of the level design. Oh! Level design. Let's talk about that. I wanted the game to take place in a building under construction, so I can use the verticality of the movement. However, the wall run system was not perfect, so we decided to go with a map that has many buildings in it. And that's basically the map. Each color is a higher floor, so you cannot get access to everything immediately. I then blocked out the map on Unity and added 2 more weapons, the shotgun and the pistol. It's basically the same script as the AR, but with a shorter range, different fire rate and damage. Just simple things to do, and I then called it a day. So the last few days I had a lot of classes and a lot of homework, so I was not able to work a lot on the game. I only added the melee weapon and I reworked the wall run. It's still snappy, but oh well. I think the movement is not great for the parkour, but I had no time to work on it again, so I just moved on. And then Zero sent me some music he made, and listen to this banger. So, day 6, less than 24 hours, which means crunch time, baby! Woo! So, I finally created the enemies. I love you, dummy, but we need some challenge. So we got 2 enemies, one that shoots at you and one that punches you. Yes, very original, I know. But it's a game jam, so who cares? Oh, the artist sent me gifts. So I added the models to the game and some UI. UI that took me forever to build and UI that is not even working in the final build. I'm not crying, you are. Why? Because I wanted an epic UI that adapts with everything that's happening on the screen. But the health part doesn't move. At least the character's body is working and it's sexy. Anyway, I still have a lot to do. Spawners, textures, points. Okay, I'll stop. I also added the timer and a message that tells you what to do. Oh, the toilets. Yes. I wanted a reward for killing the enemies because the goal right now is to survive, not kill, and that's not what I want. So the toilets are the upgrade station in the game. So when you have enough points from killing enemies, you can go back to the stations and upgrade your weapons. So go back to a better level. And then I added the voice lines that the actors sent me, which are very cool. And that's when I noticed that I forgot something very important. The head that's rolling, that's literally like the funny part of the game, if you can call it funny. So I went very fast and created this rolling system where the camera goes back to the third person view and starts following you for like a few seconds and then you explode and it's epic. I had a few minutes left, so I created the itch page and I took the epic pitch that Zero wrote, and that's it for the last day or night because I did not sleep. It was tough, but with 5 minutes left I was able to submit the game. And it's not over yet because now is the time of the ratings and you have to test other people's games, so they test yours. So I tried some of the other games on my Twitch channel, follow me there, and we got the results. Well, kind of disappointing, but understandable. At least you're almost in the top 50%. I mean, the game was very buggy and I did not have time to polish it, but at least I know that it's mainly planning problems, even if I had a few problems with the script as well. But at least I'm motivated for what comes next. My friends, you'll hear it here first, but now I decided to work on my first complete game. More infos will come on my socials and the devlog 0, so follow me there. Sub to the YouTube channel, you know, if you're interested. It's been so hard. I'm never doing this again. Just kidding, I'm f***ing addicted to game jams now. Anyway, if you guys liked the video and my project in general, you could like, sub, comment, check another video. It will help the channel out and it will make me very happy. And keep learning and playing, guys. Until next time.